the view up here. That's amazing. Might have to have a closer look, eh? How good is the view up here? Beautiful. Only 15 minutes left to Falls Creek. It's a lot cooler up here too. It's quite nice. Dropped to 23 now. So going from 30 to 23. It's beautiful. Very nice. I think we've been very lucky with the weather conditions. All just took off already. He's getting sick of me having to unpack and pack up again every time with the whole video making, which is fair enough. So I'm meeting him in Falls Creek, or if I end up catching up with him, because he's just going to cruise and just enjoy the scenery kind of thing. Incredible scenery out here. Beautiful. And this is all snow in winter. Someone just stopped and parked their car before, and then they got out a push bike, and maybe these people are doing the same thing. There's the guy now. So they get out and just ride along here, which I'd imagine would be quite nice. And I'm guessing the person that's driving the car is probably catching up further down the track. There was one guy on the way up, he was actually walking with his push bike, so I don't know, it looked like he might have had a flat, a long way to walk back. I hope he's got his phone on him and someone can go pick him up. So it's a creek down there. Very interesting scenery with all the dead trees. You want to take a photo? Yeah.
But this is good, eh?
Well, this is something.
Well, been there, done that.
Yeah, nice view. Well, the way down from Falls Creek is beautiful. Roads is very good condition, most of it. The views, the scenic views are amazing too. Like, look at it. Incredible. Just look at this place, mate. Look at it. Woohoo! Doesn't get much nicer than this. Alrighty, this is the last part of it. One more mountain. I think it has a nice view, so I might make a little stop there. Paul's gonna keep on going because I think people are meant to meet up at the pub again around 5, and then I'm probably gonna serve him food, so obviously doesn't want to miss out on that. I didn't pay in advance, so I'm just gonna order when I get there. So I might go back, have a shower, and then go to the pub and have a couple drinks, and then get ready for a massive trip back home. It's been incredible. I think I'll next time I'd have to take a few extra days because it's just too much riding. Even though I love doing it, it's just the body is not really cooperating. So something for the future. I have heard that the next one might be in Tassie next year. If it is, I don't know how I'm gonna pull that off. Obviously I would love to, but we'll wait and see what happens next year. But for now, incredible roads. Really loved it. I'm very happy that Paul pretty much dragged me along because I wasn't really gonna go if Paul wasn't going. I think Paul decided to make the move. He wanted to go last year, but timing wise it just didn't work out, whereas this time it did. Booked accommodation already, and he said, oh look, if you're going to come you can stay where I'm staying. So yeah, Paul asked me to actually come along with him, and here we are. Even though we made different trips to get here, we done today pretty much riding together, so that was very nice. And I think we both really enjoyed it. It's an amazing place. Cannot recommend it enough. Just don't tell everyone, because otherwise it's going to get too busy. So hush hush, in case you're wondering what it all looks like. Twisty, twisty, twisties, 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 twisties. Alright. Whew. These are gone. A last little stop of the day, probably get the drone out one last time, make the most of it. Once again, Rockbiter, thank you so much. This is amazing, amazing. I hope all the footage is going to come out nicely. I don't actually know. I'm sure some of it will be salvageable. Salvageable? Is that a word? Recoverable? I don't know. You know what I mean. Look at the view. Views for days. Very, very nice. This trip, incredible. Would you do a trip like this? Of course, knowing me, I didn't press record when I was flying the drone. Missed half of the footage when there were actually some motorcycles getting around that I was filming as they were going past, or I thought I was filming. So I had some nice shots, but yeah, no luck there. That's it for today. No more filming, I think. The rest is just going back to Bright. There's another 20 minutes away, and then I'm gonna have a shower, get ready for dinner, and maybe a couple of drinks. I might end it here. Well, if you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. If you have subscribed, please give us a thumbs up, because that lets YouTube know that it's something that people should be watching. Who knows what the next trip will be? Hopefully going camping again. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be filming tomorrow, because it's just going to be motorway riding, highway riding all the way down back to Wollongong, or all the way up I should say. I don't know if it's that interesting to watch, but maybe I'm thinking of making a little segment called Story Time. I've got a few stories that I'd like to tell you guys. They're not necessarily motorcycle related, so I'll probably call it something like Story Time or something like that. So then if you see that video come up, you know to either ignore it or to give it a watch. Thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, thank you for joining me on my journey. See ya.